Kenzo in the building, extra hot Forex. So it's early Tuesday in the morning. I hope you're having a good one. So let's not waste some time, guys. If you followed my analysis for a few days ago, you can see this support here has been our support for some time. So we can see that NASDAQ is around this point, and you can see it's just bouncing quickly. So I can say if you missed this one, because I'm already in a very small profit at the moment. So what you can do, I'm just going to show you what we can do at the moment, so that we can catch this move. But what I'm trying to say here is not like you have to chase trades. No? If you have opportunities like this, or if maybe you checked the analysis yesterday, I don't think maybe you missed this one. But if maybe you are not subscribed or you did not see the trades, then hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss other good opportunities like this. So here is what we're gonna do. If maybe, because I entered around here, I waited for this. I always say wait for the bullish candlestick, which is this one. You can see like it's a big engulfing candle. Then I entered around here. So that's why I say I'm in a very small profit, but it's a very good profit. So for someone who is not in the trade and is just maybe you never had some time to check the analysis yesterday, you still have a chance. Let's draw a resistance, a smaller resistance from this point. You can see here we have a very nice resistance. So for you to enter, if you are aggressive, you can just enter at the moment, or if you want, if you really, you can still wait for something like this to happen for retest, because it might happen. It's still early. Remember, the market won't just move up like there's like the market is open, so the market will just play around this point. So the market can come here and retest and move up. So let me show you on with something like this. So I hope people are not missing these things, guys, because they make our, you can see, so something like this might happen. I'm not saying it's gonna happen, but most of the time when the market breaks a resistance, you can see we had a resistance here. So if the market can break, already broke here, it's on an hour time frame, maybe the market can come back again and retest before it moves up. There's possibilities that it can do that, or just because NASDAQ really respect this point. You see this support here, the market can later on, maybe around when the market open, the market can even reach this point before it can push up again. So at the moment, it's better if maybe you have your account, if it's nice, if your account is bigger, or if maybe your broker is not that harsh when you trade NASDAQ, you can open with a small lot, then you can just hold, because there's a possibility that this thing can come and respect here before it can go. This thing acts like a, I don't know, where you should, market has to come there. Most of the time the market comes there and say hi. The market come and greet this point before it can push, but sometimes it doesn't. You can see here it's very close. You see, the market likes to come here and say hi, support, before it goes. I mean, when I say something like this, I mean it has to, I'm trying to make it simple or simpler for you to understand. Most of the time the market likes to come to this point before it makes those turns. You can see it touches there before it can turn. So even here we can see the market just turned here So there is a possibility. We know now the market, we can still buy if the market come and retest here and we see another bullish momentum, then we can buy again. But if the market come again and doesn't respect this point, we will expect the market to come here and respect this point before we can see another bullish momentum. You see, so that is what we are looking for today. So if you missed this point now, you can still wait for this retest. If you don't want to, if you don't want to wait for the retest, the best thing that you can do, is to place your pending orders. Place your pending orders. But when you place your pending orders, it means that your stop loss is gonna be around this level. It's far, but it's very safe because it's very close to our support. So something like that. You can put your buy stop somewhere here, somewhere there. So this, you can even extend this and make it, something like that. So at least if you can get this move, so you are very safe when you use the pending order, because the market can just come here and retest. If the market comes and retest here, don't leave your pending order there. Please adjust your pending order. You can bring it closer if the market it's retesting somewhere here. So bring it very close before the market can hit. Because if you I'm just saying you can put your pending order here if you missed to enter here, because I entered after this big bullish candlestick. It shows that there is a bullish momentum going on. That's why I placed my order. So that's why I say, if maybe you missed the opportunity, place your pending order, buy pending order. If the market doesn't come to this point, and if the market comes to retest here, then it's where you should take your pending order down and put it somewhere here, so that you can be safe. Your pending order shouldn't be very, very higher, or don't put it away from the market price. So at the moment, guys, there is nothing much we can discuss here. What we can discuss now is the entries. You can even go to a smaller time frame and see what's really happening. You can see here the market just broke here, so the possibility is the market can come here and push up again. But if you are already in, you just have to wait. Then if the market maybe it's around here, you can take that your stop loss and lock your profit, because the days is still very long. So there's possibility that the market can come and test or retest on our 4-hour or our daily support, which is here. You can see it's still a bit far, but there's a possibility that the market can reach this point. But on a 4-hour time frame, you can see these bullish candlesticks, they don't seem to be likely to come back again. So that's why I'm trying to show you that if you missed this opportunity here, it's when you can just place your pending order, or you can just wait for retest, which can also happen, because these things repeat themselves now and then. It's just that they don't repeat themselves perfectly that everyone can see. So I think everything is clear here. It's clear. So if the market, maybe let's think about the opposite direction. If the market maybe it's a reject, maybe the market rejects and go down here, so we'll expect to have a nice buy when the market try to push up. We don't buy on the zone. We buy when the market try to move away from the zone. You should remember that, because here there's a possibilities that the market can just break here and maybe drop again. But since we have this bullish momentum here, it seems like the market is gonna go up. So we will have to just stick by the rules, wait for the market to retest, and you are in. You can buy. But if you don't buy, you still, if you are not, you think waiting for retest is a long story. It's when you can just place your pending order, which is gonna be bit away from the resistant, your resistant, which means your stop loss should is gonna be very far. But this one, I think, if there is other greedy traders, they can just enter from this point. But I don't advise anyone to do that, because this opportunity, it will come maybe today, tomorrow. So actually, to stay in the game is to trade less. Don't trade now and then, just because maybe you don't want to miss opportunity. There's like every day, man, every day except weekends. But that's the thing that makes most traders lose. They just want to be in the trades, even if the situation it's not right. You see. So the best thing that you can stay in the game is, we know it's not nice to wait for the trades, and especially if you have Instagrams and stuff, you will be watching other people like making thousands, and you're still waiting for that confirmation. But what I've realized is, every broker, they will tell you there is 75% to 85% of people or of traders, every broker, of people who are losing some cash. You see, it means 75% or 85% of people or traders who are invested, who put their money in those brokers, 75 or 85% lose their money. So my point here is, don't get influenced by people who just post profits now and then. You see, don't just learn from people who try to analyze, who try to make you understand. It's not me alone. There's other people who do the same thing that I do. But my point is, remember when people shows you those profits, but there's this 85% of people losing. So it means maybe if you see like thousands of people showing you the profits on social medias, remember that, but the broker says there's only 15% of people who are making money. So, which some of them, it's not them. They can make money today, tomorrow they don't post, just because maybe they lost. So, the point here is, if maybe you have $100, no? If you have $100, make sure that $100 will last you 12 months or more. Don't trade like you are dying tomorrow. Don't trade like maybe tomorrow is the last day. Some people, they just risk everything, you see. So that's why you end up losing. It's not like you don't have the skill or whatever, but don't risk everything. Like maybe just because these days when you trade, you're already looking at those cars and stuff. So which is not the way to go. NASDAQ, Forex, it's difficult like any other jobs. But I think it is difficult, like it's very difficult, man. Especially psychologically, it's very difficult. It might be easy to master the whatever the the analysis stuff, but when it comes to psychological part, it's very difficult because forex actually is your feelings are attached to money, especially if something is like that. But if you risk very small amount, though, you can simply manage those things, you see. So I hope maybe you understand. Don't fight the market, relax, you'll stay in the game longer. The point is to stay in the game. If you don't lose your money in the forex and you stay in the game, you don't even deposit, I think one way or another you'll end up making it because you are in the game. You will see what's really going on. But if you take like 20 trades or 10 trades a day, when the market when the next day goes out down, you play sell sell sell. When it tries to goes up, you buy. Yeah, you're gonna be in trouble because how long will you do those things for the whole year? Because the market will just do those things now and then. You see, so my point is don't rush the market. If maybe you really want success in the market, is to relax, analyze every day, but don't trade every day. This is Kenzo. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like and share. Thank you.